We are going for kayaking.
Yeah, this one is good, right? Yeah. 564, right? 564.
This is the place for kayaking. We have chosen to go to the mangroves. So there'll be one guy who will be pulling us with the speedboat. We have chosen a double kayak since we are three of us. And here our journey begins. So let's go. We have just landed in the water in our kayaks, and we are waiting for the guy with the speedboat to come to take us to the mangroves. We will be having unlimited ride in the mangroves. This area is just in front of the Al Naim Mall in Ras Al Khaimah, and this is Al Ras Kayak. Here we are. We have taken a double kayak since we had to fit in Shrestha. Hello Shrestha, how are you enjoying?
How are you enjoying?
No spilling of water.
Good.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, life is but a dream. As you saw, this guy tied us, and now we are heading towards the mangrove. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. We can see the mangrove out there. This is where our speedboat driver has left us. Now it's up to us to go and drive. But then he has also provided his number to us just in case we feel tired. He can come and collect us. Right in front of us, we can see a few birds. Wow. We can see a few birds sitting on this net kind of thing. Hi buddies! This is the center of the mangrove. We thought that we can enter inside, but unfortunately we cannot enter inside.
We can try.
We have to go by its shoreline. You can see this area is fully covered by swamp, and small birds are roaming around. It's a wonderful place for bird watching. You can spot different kinds of birds out here. We have reached the shoreline and we got to go back because this is where our kayak got stuck in the shell water. It's such a serene place. You can spend hours out here. I wish we could carry our food stuff so that we can just relax out here. I would like to show you the clear water out here. It's full of small seaweed, and I don't know whether you can notice properly or not. You can see the small crabs inside the shells and they are moving.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Really, they're moving.
Yes, they are moving.
The kids in the backside.
So many flamingos and black pelicans right in front of us. It's a sheer beauty, I must say. We've got stuck and Shreshta's father is trying to rescue us by pushing back the mud so that our kayak can move up in front.
And now we are out.
We're almost out. Oh, wow. Thanks a lot for that rescue. We have explored a lot of areas. Now we are extremely tired. So we have asked the speedboat guy to come and pull us. So we are waiting for him in the middle of the lake. We can see our speedboat coming to pick us up. So this is where we got really tired and ultimately our speedboat driver has come. He's pulling our kayak and we are going back to the shore. It was a very good journey. It was a memorable day for us. We had kayaked for a long stretch of time and the flamingos and pelicans. Oh my god, I just can't forget. Although we had a few sunburns, but it's okay. So here is the area where we have come. Our boat is getting parked out here. Hope you've enjoyed. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.